Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the crab voice in Sky. This unique emote lets your character make a fun, distinct crab sound, adding a playful element to your interactions. It's a popular ability among players for its charming and sometimes surprising effect. We'll walk through the simple steps to unlock this special call, ensuring you can easily add it to your collection of expressions in the game. To begin your quest for the crab call, you'll need to journey to the Golden Wasteland, a challenging but rewarding area. Once there, make your way to the graveyard section, which is recognizable by its scattered shipwrecks and dark atmosphere. Keep an eye out for a specific spirit, often found near one of the larger ship remnants. This spirit holds the key to unlocking the crab call emote. Upon finding the spirit, interact with it to begin reliving its memory. This involves following a glowing trail as the spirit moves through the environment, guiding you to various points. You must collect all the memory fragments that appear along its path. Successfully gathering every fragment will complete the spirit's memory, bringing you one step closer to your new emote. After successfully reliving the spirit's memory, return to the home space. Here, you'll find the spirit's constellation in your friendship tree. Interact with it to access its offerings. You will need to spend a small number of candles, typically around 2 or 3, to unlock the crab call emote. Once purchased, the crab call will be permanently added to your emote menu, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.